Hi guys, Cracky Cookie here, and today we are going to be doing a sea cleaner up there. I hate you so much. We are going to be doing a little different again. So we are going to be playing who's that? Bill Battle solo, because obviously we're not joined by anyone. And let's get to it. Warning, I'm not a super duper idiotic builder train. I almost forgot what a train was for a moment. Right. Iron. Wood. I already got that. Okay. Should be enough. Okay. Right, there we go. Oh, this is bad. This is bad then. This is better than I expected. 4 minutes already. It's already been a minute or something. Oh, God. I'm so dead. So dead. Okay, that sucks. Right, go. Clay. Clay. Where is it? Oh God, you're probably shouting at your screens like, do it out that block or that back. Oh God, this is bad. You know what? I don't have time to do that, do I? I'm not gonna have time. Oh, no, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I know. I know what to do. I do know what to do. Oh God. Oh God. No. Oh God. Wait, 3 minutes? I don't know. Tell me. I'm gonna do this. I know it. Wait, I need to do the floor. What am I thinking? No, I don't need to. Wait. Look at me. No, this one. That's a good thing. Alright. Oh God. No. This is gonna be bad. This is gonna be bad. I've done like 5 videos and haven't uploaded them. I really need to upload them. This is horrible. This is literally horrible. No! I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. I need to stay positive. No, I'm not positive. I'm not positive! Right. Positive. Right, they can see the button. Right, is that finished? I think that might be finished. Oh wait, no, it's not finished, right. Okay. Oh, I didn't get to that's just rude. But kind of, oh, that's just rude. That's super poop, because they've hardly even done a train. Spent too much time doing that, right? Oh god. Oh god, people are holding super poops. Okay. Oh god, he's holding, yes. Good, good, oh good. Oh, this is good, this is good, this is good. Can we get in there? No, I can get in there. And the thing's freaking great. Here you go. Oh, wait, open the door. This is, who is this? This isn't even a train. Did he think toast? Wow. Oh, this is cool. I'm very good. That's good. Actually, no, okay. Okay. But I'm going good, I think. It's not finished, but I wouldn't be able to do it. That's just poop. Okay, what does this say? I'm gonna go. Welcome to Died. Okay. 5th, not bad. Not bad. Let's think in first. Not bad, 5th, but not bad. That might just have to wrap up the video here, so I will see you all later, guys. Goodbye. Bye.